Welcome, dear listener. Today's tale is woven with threads of relaxation and rest, perfect for those times when worries seem endless and peace feels elusive. So let us delve into the narrative. Allow its calming cadence to guide you towards tranquility. Remember, this is your sanctuary, your haven from life's relentless pace. Just before we begin, here's a friendly reminder. If you find comfort in our stories, consider joining our community. Your support means the world to us, and if this story resonates with you, please don't hesitate to share it with those who might need its calming embrace. Your act of kindness could light someone else's path towards relaxation. Now, invite yourself to relax and feel this. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently out. Let your eyes become comfortable, heavy, ready to rest. Allow your shoulders to soften, muscles unwinding, your body supported at ease. As you begin to drift, feel the gentle rhythm of your breath in and out. 1. Inhale. 2. Exhale. Each breath drawing you deeper into comfort. Soft, calm, safe, supported. In and out. Slowly, soothingly. You may notice the faintest sound of leaves swaying overhead, a distant breeze whispering through trees. Allow this gentle sound to ease your mind. As your body continues to soften, relaxes further, your thoughts gently floating like leaves drifting downstream. Imagine yourself walking along a forest path. With each step, you feel more relaxed, more at ease. I will count down from 7 to 1. With each number, you go twice or even 3 times deeper, stepping past mossy stones. Deeper. 6. Soft leaves cushioned underfoot. Deeper. 5. The scent of earth and oak filling the air. Deeper. Shafts of gentle moonlight shining through branches. Deeper. 3. A hush in the forest as you near an ancient oak. Deeper. 2. The oak's trunk wide and welcoming. Deeper. 1. Standing before the whispering oak itself, completely relaxed, calm, open. Our story today begins beneath that ancient whispering oak. Sir Rowan stands quietly in its broad embrace, feeling the soft rustle of leaves, murmuring secrets older than any. Picture the cradle light of twilight silver beams drifting through branches, casting gentle shadows on soft moss, guiding your gaze to supple leaves shimmering above. Feel the tender hush of forest sounds, a deer's breath in the distance, a twig's faint crackle as you settle to sit, your senses alive, but softly drifting. Sir Rowan once believed, and so did many knights, that certain trees held spirits of ancestors, quiet guardians offering wisdom to the weary. His heart, heavy with the day's journey, finds solace in this oak's presence. Beneath the massive trunk, he presses his palm to its bark. Warm, knotted with age, he whispers hopes, memories, fears, and the oak seems to breathe in reply. A slow, soothing sigh, deep and ancient, as Rowan leans back, moss cushioned beneath him. The texture is plush like a soft blanket enveloping your body, each blade cool, yielding, accepting his weight, supporting him gently. He closes his eyes, listening to distant bird calls, to the oak's leaves brushing softly like silk. As he breathes in, the scent of aged wood and damp earth invites calm, invites safety. Allow your breathing to follow Rowan's rhythm, each inhale rooted, each exhale releasing, the oak's stillness grounding. Your limbs heavy, warm, tranquil. Picture a small lantern beside Rowan. Its flickering flame, a soft amber glow, casts dancing shadows across oak's roots. Each flicker a heartbeat, each beam a thread, connecting the night to this place. Soft, protective, ancient. Know that like Sir Rowan, you, too, can find rest in stillness, allowing ancestral strength to fill your core. As knights of old sought wisdom in sacred trees, you open yourself to calm, to inner peace, Feel that quiet strength beneath you, a presence older than time. Hold that grounding in your heart. Let weariness dissolve into moss. Let rest flow like the forest's breeze. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 3. At 3, you may open your eyes, feeling refreshed, grounded, calm. But if you are ready to sleep, simply rest there. At 1 or 2, drifting deeper. At 3, 1, gentle awareness returning. 2, soft warmth throughout your body. 3, eyes open gently, rested, peaceful, or remain at peace. Drift into sleep. The forest path and the oak's calm remain with you until you sleep, until you dream. Good night, gentle traveler. May your rest be deep and your dreams kind.